Did you ever feel tired and unmotivated to exercise, but still want to maintain your fitness? Have you ever wondered if there are exercises that can help you overcome fatigue? Do you want to find out the best exercises to do when you're feeling tired? Keep watching and you'll learn the most effective exercises to do when you're feeling fatigued. Understanding fatigue. Fatigue is a common feeling that affects everyone at some point. Fatigue can come from various sources such as lack of sleep, stress, or physical exertion. Regardless of the cause, fatigue can be a barrier to your exercise routine. However, the right exercises can help you overcome fatigue and maintain your fitness. Exercises for overcoming fatigue. Gentle stretching. Stretching is a great way to loosen up your muscles and get your blood flowing, which can help you feel less fatigued. When you're feeling tired, it's important to start with gentle stretches that don't require too much effort. Here are a few examples. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs out in front of you and reach forward to touch your toes. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. Neck stretch. Stand or sit with good posture. Then gently tilt your head to the right, left, and center, holding each position for 5 to 10 seconds. Arm stretch. Stand with your arms overhead, then reach down and touch your toes. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. By incorporating these gentle stretches into your daily routine, you can help reduce feelings of fatigue and increase your overall energy levels. Gentle cardiovascular exercise. Another way to combat fatigue is to engage in some light cardio exercises. Cardio exercises, like walking or jogging, get your heart rate up, which can help to increase energy levels. Here are a few options. Walking. Take a brisk walk around your neighborhood or in a nearby park for 15 to 30 minutes. Jogging. Jog at a slow pace for 10 to 15 minutes. Cycling. Use an indoor or outdoor stationary bike for 10 to 15 minutes. By incorporating gentle cardiovascular exercises into your routine, you can help overcome feelings of fatigue and improve your overall energy levels. One of the most effective ways to overcome fatigue is by engaging in light aerobic exercises. Light aerobic exercises are low-impact activities that help to increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain, which can help to boost energy levels. Some examples of light aerobic exercises include walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming. To get the most out of your light aerobic exercises, it's important to choose an activity that you enjoy, so you are more likely to stick with it. Start with just 10 minutes of exercise, and gradually increase the duration as you build up your stamina. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes per day, and increase your intensity as you progress. This can help to boost your energy levels, reduce fatigue, and improve your overall health and well-being. Bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, squats, and lunges can be done without any equipment and can be a great way to overcome fatigue. Bodyweight exercises help build strength and improve cardiovascular fitness, which can help reduce fatigue. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of each exercise and gradually increase the number of sets and reps. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are a fantastic way to build strength, flexibility, and endurance without the need for any equipment. Simple bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are excellent for improving overall fitness and combating fatigue. Start by performing 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of each exercise and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Fatigue can be a frustrating and debilitating experience. But by incorporating gentle stretching, light aerobic exercise, and bodyweight exercises into your daily routine, you can help relieve the symptoms and feel more energized. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to perform these exercises regularly to see the best results. Tips for overcoming fatigue. Drink plenty of water to help keep your body hydrated. Get adequate sleep to help your body recover from physical and mental fatigue. Eat a healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Manage stress through activities such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. If you found this information helpful and would like to see more videos about health and fitness, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best information to help you achieve your fitness goals, so make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.